Hello fellow creative. Are you a musician who is basically just starting up, or someone who has stayed within the industry who doesn't know what to do? Okay, one of the first steps that you have to do, you have to look for one of the best distributors within the industry, and I would recommend you Distrokid. It is a wonderful platform that you would go for. Okay, so are you a musician who is looking on getting your music as fast as possible, or as fast as you could say gig on Spotify, on other streaming platforms? So Distrokid is the best platform that you should go for. Okay, so join Distrokid, the speed demons of music distribution. Okay, upload your tracks and videos quicker than your drummer sets up their kit. Okay, so as fast as possible, that is what I'm trying to mean, and why I say you should join it. Okay, in simple terms, keep 100% of your DAF. You keep all your rights and your royalties. No record label middlemen taking your hard-earned cash. Okay, it's all yours. Then the second thing I would say, global domination, reach fans worldwide. Okay, from LA to Timbuktu, okay, to your local village, without leaving your couch. Okay, from just sitting in your studio, sitting on your bed, or in your compound, you release your music and it is distributed to all streaming platforms worldwide and at the quickest speed possible. Then third, total control. Yeah, your boss. Okay, release when you want, how you want, and no suit telling you to add more cowbell. Okay, so you don't have to add anything. You get it? Then community vibes. Hang out with fellow muscles and share tips, stories, maybe even collaborate on the next big hit with some other artists. So I would recommend you Distrokid because it is one of the best platforms out there. As for you who is basically a musician and you want your music to get to different streaming platforms out there, join it today at just a few dollars. I would recommend you to go. This is the musician basic plan. Okay, but if you could go for the $40 plan, then you'll happen to receive a discount when you use my links. So it will not be around $40, it will be less than that, because when you click on my links, the price will happen to be reduced 7%. Okay, so join the platform today and don't miss out on extra offers out there. Okay, so join today as a musician, and don't forget to join Songtrust. It collects your mechanical and performance royalties out there, and it does it worldwide. So join it today at just $100, but when you use my link, it will charge you $90. So the links are in the description of this video. Join it today. Thank you.